No, Sarah was. Sarah, pick a toy or pick a prize. Alex, you may pick a prize. You may unwrap it. There's a lot of prizes. Everybody will get one. If someone keeps winning and winning, we have suckers it so they don't get 6, 7 prizes. Oh, you can take it off. You don't have to wear the hat.
Barbie queen.
No, they're not Barbie. Oh, good. We'll wrap it and give it to somebody else. Thank you. Thank you. A jump rope. You get nothing else. You get to go home and we're have a party. How's that? Okay, let's see. Should we do, we're going to drop the clothespins in the jar. We need a chair. Then you know where it is. Okay. You're going to be last now? Okay.
I'm going to be second.
Boy, you guys. My goodness.
Maybe first.
Does it really matter? Everybody wants to be first, so nobody can be first. How's that one?
Ooh.
Michael's going to go first.
Ooh.
Can I be second?
Nope. Keep asking and you'll be at the back of the line.
Gotta go to birthdays.
Okay, wait. Keep your hand up there, okay? Your hand's got to stay up there.
Almost.
You know what you do? Try to put... Oh, wait, Billy. Gee, thanks. You know what? Put your head... Look right at it. Can you put your head over here? Look right on top.
Right over it.
See, put your... See? See how you aim? Billy
Billy,
Joel.
get out of there.
Billy Joel.
Come here.
Okay. Michael appreciates you, but neither the other kids...
Come here, now.
2 more.
Now.
I have to do this twice if no one gets any in, huh? Uh-oh.
Now you wait your turn
Okay,
like everyone
Captain,
else.
you're
You stay
next.
over here. Look. Now you wait. No touch.
Okay. Do you 1 at a time?
Hey, can I be
And
after
like right
Catherine?
here.
Can I be after Catherine?
Nope. Whoa! Somebody got one in. Pressure's on. Ooh.
She's good.
Ooh. Ooh. You gotta remember you got 2, okay? Nicole?
Somehow, Billy, I just don't trust you here.
Ready? Put your hand up there. Keep, no. Right up
Here,
here.
you stay right here.
You know what you can do? Look right. Put your head over here. Look how I do. See how I got my head right over it? You can kind of lean. You see what I mean? Ready?
Ooh, looks a little closer.
You gonna fall in the driveway,
Ooh,
Marvy?
Nicole, you're
Yeah, it's
getting
already
there.
up there.
You're getting there.
Isn't the wagon in the way?
Yeah, but I'm right there in the way again.
Careful.
Okay, the ball's over there. She's got one. All right. Is it gonna be a tie? Ooh, you gotta remember that you got 1, okay? Philip?
Come here. I want you walking back and forth in front of that camera.
Can you hear that? I don't want to play.
Hold it open.
Alex,
Yeah, speak to her.
what's going on,
But
honey?
Philip, you gotta keep your hand up here more, okay?
Come here, once. Come here, baby.
There you go.
A little bit closer.
It did it.
Wow.
One. Uh-oh.
Billy, come here.
Is he gonna do it? Ooh, 1 more. This is the last one. It's a tie. Remember that you have 2. Okay, how about Sarah? You guys gotta move back a little. Give her some room. Maybe stand over here. Maybe you can stand over here. Yeah, then you give her some room. See, then we can all see. Okay, let's see. Is it close enough?
Oh, no, wait, no,
What do you
no.
count this as now? What do you think?
I think that's it.
I think that's in
I think
too.
that's
What do you?
in,
I
too.
think that's only fair
All right.
because that's about that's rare. Put this in here. That's got this.
Chill, Leo. This is
2.
a...
Oh, we got 3 people with 2. What are we gonna do? Okay, we need Rebecca.
fall off the chair.
Yes. Ready, Rebecca.
Oh.
Ooh! Are we gonna have more people with two? This is your last one. Good luck. Here we go.
Oh.
Oh, did you see it play games with you?
Wow,
Okay,
wow, wow.
little. Who do we have left? You
Alex,
two? You were last time. We'll let you go now. Because you were last the last game, huh? We don't want you last all the time. Ready? Set it down.
Will you get over here? What are you doing?
Keep your hand rested on here, honey. Yeah, like that.
You keep me into trouble.
Nathan will never get one in.
You think so? He's trying.
Is that the last one?
Okay, Stephanie. So when you go around, there's a clothespin. See it?
Michael.
Good job, hon.
This one you already did. Sarah, you want to step back just one step so Billy's taking movies right behind you.
You go. I'll get business. I'll snap in like a chicken bone. Like a chicken bone.
Ooh. All right, who had two? Oh my goodness, look at this.
Bubba's gotta go yet.
Oh, that's right. You gonna play?
Alex?
Are you gonna play? All right, come on. Well, you better hope she doesn't get three, huh? Uh-oh. She'd get her crayons back till she likes them, right? Keep your hand up on that chair, Bubba. There you go.
Let it drop.
See? Ooh.
Let it drop. Take your time.
Game.
Take your time. Don't rush. Take your time. That was close, Bubba.
Wait, Billy.
One more.
Oh.
Good
Did you want to try?
Good try,
Did you want to do it? Okay, before we pick prizes, let's have Billy try.
Oh boy.
Good job.
Can you get up here, Billy? Okay, get up there.
Scratching. I don't know, man. I don't know. Yo, Baba. Yo, Baba. Yo, Baba.
Henny, stand right by Mom. Okay, get him in there, Billy. Watch him beat you all. Wouldn't that be fun? Wouldn't that be something? Go ahead.
Oh!
Ooh, that was
Whoa, how'd you like to be beat by a 3-year-old? Oh my goodness! Oh, he's getting closer than all y'all. Look at okay.
Oh,
He's
boss.
really even cheating that much because his arms are little. Go ahead, bud.
Oh, we're gonna. Ow!
Use this hand. Nah, you're right-handed. You don't want to do it lefty. Oh! We got 2 boys and 2 girls, huh? Can you believe that one? All right, Billy, you get to pick a prize. Sure do.
Me too.
Okay.
Can I pick one?
Girls, let's see. Did you picked one already? You get to pick again, but let's let Catherine go first.
I didn't
Okay.
even get one.
Okay, Sarah. That's okay. We'll have plenty.
I didn't get one.
Once you get, take one. They're stuck together. Okay, this is the boys' bag, Philip. Hang on.
What about me?
Alex, you only got one.
You only got
close
one in there. You got to
remember?
get 2. You had to get
Maybe
2 in
next
there,
time.
Michael. You only got 1 in there, honey. You'll win the
Okay.
next game, maybe.
What is it?
Dig down in there.
What is it?
Let's see. You already got that, baby. Get something else. Here. You know what? You know what you can grab? Where is that little thing that we don't?
Wow.
Neat.
Oh, should I get that?
Here. You want this?
Ouch.
Sure do.
Look what I got.
Okay, you got 2 toys, so next time... Okay, you gonna go play while we play? You know what, though? We have 9 for this team.
Where's the garbage can?
And we have to have even teams. So how about if I play on this team? And Nathan Michael, you play on this team. But no, that doesn't mean it's going to win because it has nothing to do with who's older.
And you have to do it on your knees, Mom.
Yes, I did it in Girl Scouts on my knees, didn't I? Didn't I? Now I'm going to show you what we're going to do. You can't cheat and you can't use your hands. You got to stand in a line and we're going to face each other. Now this team stands side by side. Like that. Put your feet over here. Okay, you go play. Mama's going to do... I got to give it to Alex, but I can't touch it. See? Now Alex has to give it to the next one. See how you do? Now the people on the end, Catherine, you're going to have to run over when you get it and give it to me. And whoever finishes first, Sarah, you got to run over and give it to Nathan. Okay? See? Now, but not with your hand. You're going to give it to me like this, right? Not with your hand. If it falls on the floor, you pick it up, put it under your own. I can't, like, let's say I drop it. I can't give it to Alex. Gotta put it here, okay? Think we got, should we practice one?
Yeah.
And then try? Okay. Wait. Gotta wait till we say on your mark. Daddy, you say it. Hands behind your back.
Go!
Poor Michael, see how straight he is? That's the hard part. There we go. Okay, you get a practice in there? Sarah, you run over and give it to Nathan. Now, Nathan, we can't meet her. We got to stay right where we are. They got to come by us. Okay?
We won.
Well, yeah, but now this is for the prize. Okay? Remember, you can win 2 prizes, and then you get a sucker, okay? Everybody's going to have at least one. Okay, Daddy, ready?
Go.
That's okay. Go ahead. Give it to Becca.
Oh, oh.
Uh-oh, looks like our team beat him by a leg, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, hand. Ooh, boy, that just kills my knees.
Come on, Mom.
Ooh, boy. Okay, where's my team? Okay, so we got a girl here.
Billy. Be careful.
Did you get, okay, pick a prize. We got to make sure whoever didn't get a prize is going to get one.
You can't go there. I'm not gonna
Okay, this is a girl bag.
Michael, you can't get one.
Michael will get on the next time maybe, okay? Because your team, that's okay. We're going to play a game now. Everybody will get one. Don't worry. Ooh, you got one like Billy. Everybody will get a prize.
Billy.
We're going to play musical chairs now. Now, who didn't get a prize? Raise your hand. 1, 2 girls and 2 boys.
Sarah.
And I've got enough left so everybody can pick one if they don't win a
I
musical
got
chair,
the
okay?
same thing as Billy. I got
All
the
right.
same thing as Sarah.
No, don't cheat.
If you go like this, then you're cheating. If you hold on to the chairs, then you're cheating.
Well, sit down, Michael. Nicole, you come over here. Ready? Everybody stand up.
You gotta take a chair out of there.
Oh, I'll get it.
Well, everybody's gonna get a chair.
No, you can sit here.
Uh-oh.
Michael didn't sit. Hey, you can't throw that, Billy.
Okay, we'll get down. But you stay away.
Okay.
Stay away.
Go to the chair.
I got this one. This one's easy to get. This one's really easy to get.
Keep going. I'm gonna wait. You got two on a seat. Someone bet there's an empty seat. There you go. You guys gotta look. Okay, Philip, you're out. Let's get a chair. Losers will get a sucker, that's for sure. 'Cause I put losers. That's very nice. I'm making a watch so that I just take favoritism. Oh, wait. I think it was Nathan. Your cheek was on there last. What do you think? Do we need an instant replay?
Yeah, we got one if you need one.
I think Nathan's cheek was on there last, so you're out of there, bud. Whoa, Bubba! She's out
Bubba
of there.
Jine, Bubba Jine.
Okay, hang on a second here. Here, you. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. We'll have to wait till the next song. This doesn't count. Well, who was on there first?
Catherine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. We sure? Yeah, I think we need an instant replay. Then you get to start. You get it right. Whoa! Queen Catherine! Okay, everybody, come here. Catherine, you get the first choice of suckers. That's for sure. Okay, now, you get a prize because you were the last open. We're not going to run over there. We'll let everybody go at the same time. Wait.
Whoa, you gotta do it from the other side. Bubba, get on the other side of it.
Okay, wait. I'm going to take a picture of Alex, too. Wait, don't we have to turn her body here? I'd like to see that. You can step back. Get ready to hit it because I'll take a picture of you hitting it. Go ahead. Okay, one hit. One hit. All right, two hits. All right.
This thing is gonna be hard to get. Take my bag. Alex, take my bag. No, I take your bag.
Yeah, next person in line
This
to
is
go.
my bag.
Yeah, okay, so we don't have fighting.
Whoa.
Well, she's losing some hair.
Oh,
All right. Careful. Catherine, you hold.
Billy.
Ouch!
Okay, calm down. She didn't mean to. It was an accident. Honey, I can't stop.
Oh. Oh.
Honey, I cannot stop it. Keep it your juice. Okay, Catherine. Here, let's stop her swinging them, huh? Maybe get a better hit if she can. Whoa!
Whoa.
Good time. One more. One good one. Yo, boy. Okay.
Because she's only 2 years old.
Oh. Oh.
I think he'd sleep if we put him down. Close. Yeah, that looked good. Whoa, you put a crack in her arm.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, Nicole. You got a crack in it. That's good.
Hit the
Whoa.
arm! Hit the arm!
Ah.
Oh, it's a good thing we let the boys go last. I think they're going to get it, don't you? Wait till he's gone. Okay, so do you want to
I
get
heard
it?
her. She's gonna get it. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna bust her.
I don't know. We're going to have to go a couple more hits next.
Okay.
Okay, Nathan's in T-ball. Nathan should be able to pop this.
You're after Nathan.
You're right after Nathan. You're next, okay? You didn't get a turn.
Wow. Ah. Oh, no.
Okay, wait. I got an idea, but Billy, you hit it. Look out, Nathan. till it all comes out so we can all take it on the market sector.
Come on, Mom. What's that?
Oh man, I busted my nail real low. That's all right. Nope. Oh, it's coming.
Wow! Well, get that candy. Go!
Your mark, get set, go. It's all over. Hey, wait a minute. Where's his bag?
Right here.
Here you go. Come on in here. Hey, it went all the way by the fence, Billy. Come on. Nobody's got two bags, huh? Billy's is missing now. You found Alex's butt? Oh, where? Oh. Billy, here's your bag. Come here. See it over there, Alex? Here, Billy. Fill it up. You find it all? Oh, boy. Well, you know what? I have extra so we can fill everybody's up.
Billy?
We'll fill it.
No.
Oh, Philip, you got a lot. You may each have one piece before cake and ice cream, okay? Oops, sorry, honey. Put your toys maybe under your chair.
Look what
Put
I
this
did.
under your chair.
I got
Okay.
my little ring thing in.
Can you get in there, honey? I'll scoot you in,
I
ready?
have everything in my bag.
Okay. Now you got your cups. Does everybody have a cup?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, pour some juice first, okay? Billy, where's your juice cup?
Here it is.
Where is it? Huh? It's there, honey. It's not gone.
I can touch it.
Okay, yeah, it's still
What are you doing?
Went to the bathroom.
Ah!
Everybody, you might as well take your napkin out from under your plate, because once your cake and ice cream's on, you might not be able to do it.
Sacha Baba.
Why?
Don't take one.
Well, I guess I should
Mom,
have
I'm
taken
going to
the
put
other.
that down. Good picture of it.
All right, we don't need to hear that. All right, Dad, do you have matches down here? Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alex. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
I'm sad.
You ain't 7.
You better think again. How old are you? Okay.
6 years old. I'm 6 years old. I'm 6 years old. I'm 6 years old.
Whoa. Yay!
All right.
Denise.
Yes.
I remember you had my birthday and you gave me trick candles.
Trick candles I put on yours, didn't I? They wouldn't go out, huh?
Nope. My mom did that to me.
Did
My
she?
grandma did that to my sister.
Can you get that light above there when you get a chance, Mom?
Yeah.
Denise.
Yeah.
They all know.
My birthday cake.
After the present, should we go upstairs and watch ourselves on TV?
Yeah.
I think that goes over good. Oh, I have to sneak past here because I know I got juice. I have people that want juice. Look at their tongues. They're so thirsty.
I don't think Billy's going to eat this cupcake.
No, I was going to sit there. You see, I was edging over there. But How we doing?
Oh.
Oh, look at I like the colors.
Daddy! Daddy! Invite the more colors.
Huh? Hey, neat. I like that.
What does that sound like?
Sounds like you kicking the table.
In one of the stairs.
Yes, it
And it was
does.
that.
It sounds like a monster?
I mean, stop from like this.
Is that what it sounds like?
Like this.
Everybody put it in your bed. Put it in your bed.
Yeah. I forgot.
Come over here by the top. What?
I
Drop it in there.
got a sucker already.
It's okay. I think I got one extra for everybody. Nicole?
I got brown.
Nicole, you can give one to your sister. I think you got two too.
So
There you
fair.
go.
Yeah, I think mine is downstairs.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll make sure we get it.
Yeah, double one too.
It's in there? Okay.
What?
Put it in Sarah's bag, honey. That?
Nathan.
Nathan, honey?
There wasn't a plastic.
Can I sit there with Billy? Because I'm going to rock him a little. How about right over there next to your brother?
Oh.
Billy, come sit on my lap. You punch them out and put your ear in there, and they're play earrings. And this is from Nathan and Michael and Mitty and Teresa. And that's for you to go shopping, remember? When you go shopping with her?
No, it's 15.
15.
Yeah.
That's for you to go
Oh,
shop.
it's
She offered to take
sitting
out
on those
shopping
steps.
to Toys R Us. Oh, wait.
You're dropping stuff.
You dropped the two pictures.
That's from my little sister.
Oh, how nice. Let's see. What does it say? Did she just draw a picture?
Yeah. I put this in my wallet. It's supposed to be a heart. She drew the heart all by herself.
She did. That is exciting. Oh, Alex, let's put it up here. It's from Katie.
My little sister, she's not here.
Yeah, that's nice of Katie. We'll take your pictures and we'll put them in her wallet
That's
later.
from me and Katie.
That's nice, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you.
That's from
And
us,
wait,
too.
let's open her card. See her card down there?
That's my card.
You gotta read it though. Look at the card she made. Put it down so they see your face.
Ooh, that's
What does it say?
That's the Kahuna card.
Happy
6.
6th birthday, Alexandra.
From
From Sarah
Shannon.
Shannon